Hey there, language explorers. Welcome back to Language Lounge, the place where learning English feels like an adventure. To all my amazing returning learners, so happy to see you again. And if you're new here, guess what? You have just stepped into a world where grammar is fun, not boring. Quick flashback. We have already unlocked the secrets of personal, possessive, reflexive, and relative pronouns. And wow, what a journey it's been. But today, we are going on a brand new mission. Because today, we are learning something super useful. Something we use every single day without even thinking. Ready? Yes, it's time for demonstrative pronouns, the pointing words. Want to talk about something near you? This. Something far away? That. More than one? These and those. See, you already know them. Alright, explorers. First question. What are demonstrative pronouns? Don't worry, it sounds big, but it's actually super simple. Demonstrative pronouns are pointing words. They help us point to a specific person, place, thing, or group without saying its name. They answer one simple question: which one? Think of them as your magic pointing words. Let's see them in action. Hold something near. This is my favorite book. Point far away. That looks interesting. Show many things near. These are my snacks. Point far again. Those are beautiful stars. No names, just pointing. Easy, right? Now it's time to meet our four special friends. This, that, these, those. Each one has a special job. So let's explore. First up are singular friends. This and that. Hold something near. This is an amazing novel. It's close to me. Point far away. Is that a lighthouse? That's far away. Remember, this close, that far. Now let's call in the team. These and those. Show multiple nearby objects. These are my books. Many and near. Point far away. Are those coconut trees or palm trees? Remember, these close plus many. Those far plus many. Near versus far. Easy trick. Let's make it super simple. Near, close to me. This, one. These, many. Far, away from me. That, one. Those, many. Quick trick. If you can almost touch it, near. If you have to stretch and point, far. Boom! You have got it. Awesome work, language explorers. You did amazing today. But wait, our adventure isn't over yet. In the next part, we'll explore demonstrative pronouns versus demonstrative adjectives. A super simple trick, fun practice, and a quick test. So if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to join the Language Lounge family. Got questions or want lessons on grammar, creative writing, or poems? Drop a comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep shining. Bye.